How to make Rednote account and fix Rednote not sending code. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is download Rednote app. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Now click on the option of login. You will be prompted to log in. Click on the option Other login methods. You're gonna get two login methods, phone number or your Apple ID. In case you are not receiving verification code in your phone number, what you can do is you can use Apple ID. For that, click on this Apple ID option. Click on Agree and Continue. Now provide your Apple ID's credential, email address, and the password. With that, your account will be automatically created and you'll be logged in. Once you have created your account, now you are able to verify your phone number. Click on three bars given at the top left, click on the option Settings, click on Account Security, then click on the option Mobile, click on just drop down and select your country, then type in your phone number, and now you can link your account. Still you are not receiving the verification code, what you can do is you can enable airplane mode, open your control center and click on this airplane icon. Wait for a few minutes, disable it. You can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular. With these, you might get the code. So this is how you can easily make Rednote account and fix Rednote not sending code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.